In this example, we're going to find the y-intercept for the following table. So let's take a look. First thing we need to do is we need to actually find the slope. So if we find the slope from the table, I'm going to choose two pairs of points. I'm going to choose these ones. I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I'm going to take that information, I'm going to put in my delta y over my delta x, or remember that's the change in the y over the change in the x. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Work that out. 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So this slope, the m, is equal to 2. From here, now we're going to use the slope-intercept formula, which is y equals mx plus b. We're going to choose a pair of xy values, and it doesn't really matter which ones from the table. I'm just going to pick 4 and 9, so I'm going to use 4 and 9. Remember that the 4 is the x and the y is the 9, so that way when we are substituting, we don't mix that up. Okay, so now we're going to substitute all of these numbers into the formula. Here, here, and here. So everywhere that I marked in green, we're going to replace it with all of this number, and this number. Okay, so let's see how that looks. So for y, we're going to put the 9. Okay, so let's do that. So for the y, it's going to say 9 equals, for the m, we're going to put in the 2. So then we put in the 2 parentheses. For the x, we're going to put in the 4. And we don't know the b, so we just bring that back into the equation. Okay, so from here, now we have an equation that needs to be solved for the b. Okay, on the side that has the variable b over here, we need to calculate this first. So that's going to bring down the 9. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down the plus b. Now when we want to get that b by itself, we're going to undo this 8 by doing the opposite to cancel it out. So subtract 8 on both sides of the equation. Once you do that, 9 minus 8 is 1. And the value of your b, your y-intercept, is equal to 1. Now I know the question just asked for the y-intercept, but let's just see if we put this all together. The slope we found at the beginning was 2. The y-intercept we calculated and found it equal to 1. And if we needed to write the slope-intercept equation, it would be y equals 2x plus 1. So there's all of that. But remember, the only thing it was asking for was the y-intercept. So b is equal to 1. Hope that helps.